welcome back to my channel. This is today's look using a $10 palette. $10, like what? And this thing is the size of my head. Yeah, bigger, and I have a big head. I highly recommend. This is using Profusion Cosmetics. This is my first time using them, and it was a great first impression. That's all I'll say. So I hope you guys like this video. Let's just hop right in before I start talking, and let's just hop right into the video. Alright guys, so I had received a PR package from Profusion, and they sent me over their holiday collection, and they sent me 3 palettes. So the first one is the Profusion Chestnut Eyes. It's like, I used it already, but it's super pretty. And this one retails for $6.99 at Target. Next, I have the Confidence palette. This is the one I'll be using in today's video. And this one retails for $10. And then I have the Mixed Metals palette. I don't think they gave me the price on that. And then they sent me over a eyebrow duo. So they sent me over a little palette for eyebrows, and they sent me over a thingy, which I actually used, and this color is a little dark for me, but it's really pretty, and it glides on perfect, and I don't know, I really like it, so I'll probably still use it, because I really like how it works, so I highly recommend that. And then they sent me over the Lips to Go 3-piece velvet lip kit, which I think it's like a red. I don't know if it's mauve-y red or if it's bright red, but I'll use it today and we'll see how that works. And then they sent me over with the Mixed Metals palette. I believe this eyeliner, it's sparkly, and maybe we'll use that today too. So literally everything in the box I got is under $10, and I highly recommend this brand. Like, this is my first time using them, and it is amazing. Like, for the price, you can't beat it at all. So let me prime my eyes and we will hop right in. So the brushes I will be using today are the EIGSHOW. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but these are the most these brushes, I could go like talk all day about them. They're awesome. Like, they sent me over 2 packages of them. So they sent me an eye kit and then they sent me a face kit. I use these every day, as you can see, but I use these brushes every day. They are so soft. They almost feel softer than like Sigma and Morphe, which is like insane, but they're the best brushes, and I thank them so much because forget about all that. You guys need to go get these brushes like now. So first I'll be hopping into Dynasty. It's like an orange tangerine shade, and let's see, because this is my first time using this palette. So wow, okay, that's really pigmented for $10. That's really pigmented. Wow. Oh, the brush I'm using is the Blending E811 brush. Alright, so I'll be using the Blending E811. Wait. E811. They sent me 2 of the same brushes. Oh my gosh, shout out to you guys. So I'll use the same brush, but a different brush. And I'll hop into Secure. It's like a pink, honestly, I don't know. It's like a pink flamingo color. Does that make sense? And I'll put that in the inner crease and outer crease. I don't know what I'm saying right now. put it in the crease in general. And you want to keep that, you want to blend that lower so then you can still see Dynasty popping above it. Wow, oh my goodness. She came to slay. Okay, I'll be going back in with the first brush that I used, but I'll be dipping into Madly. This is more like a red but grape undertone, like pomegranate. I don't know, it's really pretty though. So we'll keep that even more in the crease, deeper in the crease, so then these colors blend so epically, like you got me making up words. So I'll be using my e.l.f. concealer that I literally always use in every video, but I'll be using the glow side because I actually ran out of my side. So I'll cut a little crease, half cut crease, because I'm not going to do the whole thing. So I'll be cutting the crease with the eyeshadow E831. So I'll be using the, don't worry guys, my brushes are like a little dirty. The eyeshadow E828 brush. And let's go, which one should we go with? Legendary. Let's go with Legendary. It's like a green sparkly color. Let's see how this one works. I never do green on me. I'm actually scared. Okay, wow. Honestly, I have no words. I never do green, but I think this has totally like changed my mindset because this reminds me of money for some reason. Like, okay, this is like holiday glam. Keep an eye out for that video. We'll take the E812 brush and we will dip into Serenity. It's yellow, kind of like a mustard yellow. Tap that off a little bit and we'll place that all the way on top of it all. So bring more life back to the color. Alright, and now I'll be using the short shader E806 brush. It's like a short flat brush. And which one should we go in, guys? Which one? Mascot, Sunny, Supple. Let's go with Supple. Now I'm not even pressing hard with these colors at all, and they're coming off like that. So we're just gonna play this. We're just gonna place this on top of Legendary, the green. Just give it more of a pop. Okay. Nobody could tell me anything with these colors because these are like super pigmented for $9.99. Are you like crazy? Like, go get that now. Duh. Let's go back in with E812 and let's dip into Bombshell. Okay, so that is more like a dark brown. We'll place that on the outer corner and just try and blend all the colors together so that they look seamless. This is great. Okay. Now I will do the other eye on camera, but I won't talk. And then we will hop into lashes, face, all that fun stuff. eyeliner, I'll be using the e.l.f. eyeliner, and I will just line my lids just so the lashes will blend seamlessly with my lashes. Does that make sense? Honestly, I do this all the time when I wear lashes, just so you don't see that gap of skin. Now for mascara, I'll dip into the Physicians Formula Argan Wear mascara. And you don't want to put too much on because then it'll look clumpy. We don't want that. So I'm gonna let that dry for a second, and I'll throw on some lashes, and then we'll do the face. So for lashes, I'm taking my go-to lash that I literally wear every day, which is the Amora lashes in the style Bella. These are like a mess, but these are my go-to, and I love them so much. They're like double layered, if that's how you say it. They're like double layered, so they're like 3D, and they just look so real, so natural. They get very dramatic, so I highly recommend these two. So for foundation, I'll be using the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Foundation. And this foundation, you guys, I live for this. This is like beautiful. It's a little dark for me because I got this when I was tan, and now it's almost the end of November and I'm not tan. I'm as pale as a ghost, but you know what? It's okay, it still works. And it's gonna drip. Oh my god. And then I'll be using the foundation F624 brush to blend this out. Dip into the e.l.f. concealer. I'm using the glow end, but you kind of have to hurry with this because it dries down like within 1 second. So let's hurry up. Using my Maybelline loose powder, and I'll take the blush F604. Then I'll sweep that like right away from under my eyes because I crease a lot and that's not cute. So I'll be taking my Miss A porcelain pressed powder and placing that everywhere I didn't put the loose powder, but where I have foundation, my HOOLA bronzer, which I live by, and the angled contour F610. So for highlight, I'll be taking my Mixed Metals palette by Profusion and dipping into Visionary. That's a highlight, wow. For my nose highlight, I'll be taking the E802. Alright guys, this is the final look. I'm like actually really proud of this look. I think it came out great. But this is more a holiday glam using a $10 palette. $10. They sell it at Target and I'm definitely gonna keep buying this brand. They're great. I highly recommend. And I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I love you guys with all my heart. and I'm glad to be back finally recording. So I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.